Motivational Delight for sweet, charming love bees. The road to success is paved with determination, and a champion's spirit shines brightest through the darkest time. That's the reason he's a champion. Champions rise not by chance, but by choice. Success is a result of unwavering commitment, hard work, and dedication. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. Champions turn failures into stepping stones to success, hence the champions. Embrace every challenge as an opportunity to grow, for every obstacle is a stepping stone to success. That's the winning key. In the face of adversity, remember that a true champion's success lies in their resilience and perseverance. Take care and be safe. Smile always, love bees.